The Getaway Co. was amazing in helping us to live an experience of traveling vegan with no stress at all. Everything was well organized, well planned, and we had an amazing time.
It was such a nice opportunity to meet new people as well that think like us.
True.
Eat like us.
And even during our free time, we had amazing recommendations, and we got to enjoy Greece and get amazing perspective on the country. It made us really enjoy the experience without stressing about when or where we had to find food, and we could just rely on the research they had done, on what they had organized and planned for us. So that's really a stressless experience. It's great.
Yeah, it was nice that we just had to follow the group. Everybody was happy, and we did some great activities.
And then just get excited about the discoveries, be amazed about the amazing food we were tasting, and it's fun to be surprised. So just very nice surprises. The whole team was so charming. The photographers and Cool Night Vegan, Richard and Nicoletta and Amanda, everybody, like an amazing team that bonded and helped everybody also helped everybody get together and have fun. So it was just an amazing experience.
They wanted us to feel comfortable all the time. Yeah.
We would definitely do it again.